Well, we've heard it before, but it bears repeating. Do not put off going to the doctor. Janice Green is the Chief Medical Officer at FHCB Health System. Thank you so much for being with us.
Hi, Elsa. Thank you for having me. You're absolutely right. This is not the time to miss your appointments.
Yeah, you really don't. And I think we have so much on our plate that a lot of times we put this off. I was actually talking to a friend of mine, a guy, and I know that guys hate going to the doctor, but I was telling him, you are overdue. So I know that at your centers, it's sort of one-stop shopping. What are the services that you provide?
At FHCB Health Systems, we've been providing care to the greater Baltimore metro area for over 70 years. And we offer care in our adult primary care service, behavioral health, dental, OBGYN, pediatrics, and podiatry.
And what sorts of changes have you seen since this COVID-19 pandemic?
Well, as you said, with all the stress we've been under, a lot of individuals, out of fear of not strictly adhering to the social distancing rules or concern about contracting coronavirus by going to a healthcare facility, have stopped coming in for care. And we've seen a decline in patient visits.
I believe it. I think all of us are sort of, we're scared and leery of going in, but you say that you don't have to be in. And in fact, you have free testing that you're offering just to make sure that people are taking care of themselves.
Yeah, so we actually partner with the Baltimore City Department of Health in lieu of Governor Hogan's Maryland Strong guidelines to be able to provide free COVID-19 testing. And this is really a result of individuals not being able to leave their communities to get testing and the fear of having to pay for it.
And so who is a candidate to get this testing? Who can come and get it?
So our mobile COVID-19 testing centers are free, and they're walk-up without any appointment or doctor's order. So we want to make sure that COVID-19 testing is available to everyone, particularly those vulnerable populations in the inner city.
That's great. And if there are other services that people are needing, like the friend that I mentioned before, how do they make an appointment? What should they do?
So we are welcoming and accepting all new patients. And to make an appointment with us, you would just call area code 410-354-2000, or you can visit us on the web at www.fhcb.org. For our COVID-19 testing, again, it's free and walk up on Tuesdays at our Cherry Hill location and Thursdays at our Brooklyn location between 9 a.m. and 12 noon.
All right, Dr. Janice Green, thank you so much for being with us. Really appreciate that information. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.